Hi everyone, today we're going to talk a little bit more about the HighJump One Solution Optimize. So this is where you take your list of unsorted orders and try to figure out the best path to figure out how to do the deliveries or do the stops or do the services that you're looking for. So the first thing that we're going to go in here and look at is our tactical delivery optimization. And we call it tactical delivery because this is meant to be dealing with actual orders, meant to be used every single day, every route stop, every requirement, every servicing that you need to do. That list and figuring out what to do with that list is a key piece of optimization. So in this screen here, you're looking at your dispatching of orders. So whether we've created an order or a service request coming in through the HighJump system, coming in through EDI, coming in through your ERP, we've got a list of these orders on here. And this list of orders, you can see there's individual characteristics of them. There's a delivery date. There's the salient details of the quantity, the volume, etc. Those orders are going to go put through what I call the blender. And that blender will determine the list of priorities that you have, use the list of priorities that you have set to find the best fit. Once we put that blender into place, we come out with results like this. And we see the kind of the purple route with a number of different pins on there. It's identifying these are the different orders. And it's going to build that route or multiple routes based off of parameters that you use. So for example, if you can only handle 10 deliveries in a day on a truck, that's a maximum capacity. Maybe that capacity is driven by cases, weight, hours of service, etc. The customer time windows for delivery must be honored as well. You might be looking at historical traffic patterns. You might have specific limitations on what the route is that you can do. But you can, again, once you've built these routes, you can go and take that little pin and you can see the highlight on there and you can grab that pin and drag that to a different route if you so desire. So it gives you the opportunity to generate what it feels is the best path. And then it manipulates that, if you so desire, to go through and take that and put that onto another route. Once we've built that logic and built that result on that route for a given day, we can look at the individual details of that particular order or that particular delivery if we need to tweak it. After that, we then come back to the screen and now we've got optimized routes. So optimized results. So this looks very similar to the prior screen, but now these are all sorted based off of which one's there. And you can see across the bottom that we actually have optimized routes. And our results from that optimization, we can now look at this and we can even take this a step further when we're dispatching those routes. So it gives us a summarized view of what the different loads are going to go out and do in the field at a point in time. So we go through, we take raw orders, throw them through the blender that applies the logic of parameters, capacity, delivery time windows, historical traffic patterns, etc. Comes out with results. We then have the opportunity to tweak those results. And then before we push those orders down to the mobile system for delivery or for servicing or for whatever you need to do with that, it gives you a final check at the dispatch where it gives you a summary of here are the number of orders going on the different routes, here's their start time, end time, etc. And that is what we do with route optimization.